Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick look at our LED dragon heads. These are designed to take 3 Floatoys capsule lights. We'll be releasing some that take 4 as well. And these have been designed to protect the capsule lights as much as possible. So the spaces here serve as shock absorbers for when you drop the dragon. And there's a certain way to put the flow capsules in, which I'm going to show you now. So you want to take your USB port on the capsule light and make sure that's facing inward. And the end without the button is going to go up top. And then you're going to just push it into place. And it's going to be in there nice and tight like that. The button is going to be inward like we said. And then when you go to put the dragon onto the staff, you're going to want to put it so that the capsules are inward towards the grip like this rather than outward this way. So if you put them all 3 in there like that, you should be good to go and have a really nice LED dragon there. Looks really nice in the dark. And just like our practice dragon heads, these will be tailored to the diameter of your staff, and we'll be selling them alone and as well as complete dragon staffs. And then to take the capsule out, all you gotta do is give it a push there and just pull it out. You're good to go.